Good morning, Chris Vernon with Vernon Litigation Group. I want to do a super quick video on wiring funds. I don't recommend you wire funds unless you absolutely have to. But if you need to wire funds, I recommend you wire it between Monday and Thursday in the morning, and you receive confirmation that the wire was received the right place by the afternoon. And if not, you be vigilant about figuring out if something happened. A lot of wired funds are getting hacked effectively, and the money is being redirected to the wrong bank so that then the hackers, the criminals, can steal that money and move it offshore before you even know it. A lot of this can be prevented if you just do that one thing. Just make sure you do your wires in the morning, Monday through Thursday, and not the day before a holiday, and that you confirm the wire by the afternoon. Remember, whatever it is, let's make sure our money's working for us and not for somebody else. Have a great day.